Wow, ang ganda. Ano? May swimming pa kami. Yan oh, may swimming. Tapos, saglit. Ayan, grabe. Taas. 200 floor. Lahat ng building. Grabe, oh, mamaya magsuswimming kami, oh. Yan, dito kami sa hotel. Kakarating lang namin. And ito yung stove. Ang linis-linis pa. Eh, wala naman kami balak magluto kasi only one day lang kami dito. Only one night lang kami. And then, what are those? Ref. Bakante ang ref. Oh, laki-laki. Ganyan. Wala kami balak mamalengke. Diba?
What did he say
Yan,
about
oh.
holding my credit card or something like that?
Bakante lahat.
If there's anything that's
Tapos,
like liability,
Oh,
like
okay.
if we damage something,
yan.
so don't damage
Are we
anything.
staying here
Walang.
just today?
Yeah. Oh, they have
Wow,
a fridge.
cutlery.
Tonight?
Yeah. Why?
Because I'm gonna you need to pay for Wi-Fi.
Really? Their fridge is
Wow.
And if you pay like if you want premium.
Just use my personal hotspot.
Wow. We can bake. We can bake here. Oh, meron ka palang ano. May ano dito, oh. A microwave. You can microwave your food. AJ. See? Merong maliliit na ano. Oh, kompleto. Oh, garbage and compost. And dishwasher. Kompleto. Tsaka yan, yung living room. Diyan yung anak ko. Tapos, yan. Tapos ito, oh, merong washing machine. Ay, meron ng ano, oh, meron ng meron ng ano, meron ng kwan, swimming pool.
Ordered one before, but then it was too. I could not eat the meat apparently.
Tapos,
I was not allowed to eat the
ayun, oh, tawag nun, balcony. Tapos, itong TV. And then, ito yung gamit namin. Nakakarating lang namin kasi nagsara yung ano ba to? Tapos, washing machine. So, we can stay here. Like, kahit na mag-stay kami dito ng matagal, may plancha pa, cabinet.
Why? You already slept.
See?
Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Pa. Okay, I need to pee again.
Yan ang kwarto namin. Asan yung ano, pindutan? Yan ang kwarto namin. Oh, ganito rin sa kabila. Dalawang ganito. Oh, closet, bathrobe. See? They're very nice. Very nice hotel. And then this one. They're complete. See? Have a cabinet here too. So the safe. Oh, meron pang ano, may ano, safety, ano pa. Safe. Yan. Yan, tapos dito is the closet and
Hindi mo ilalak.
Yan, hindi mailalak yan.
Ano nga yung charger mo lang? Tatay ka naman yan.
Ay, mag-charge ka na dyan.
Nasa yung charger mo?
Bakit yan? May bayad.
Paano ka naka ano? Naka
Tatang.
wifi lang.
Tarang.
Kasi
Mag-wifi
wifi.
ba ako?
Ha?
Kunin mo kay AJ. Nasaan ba yung bag ko? Yan.
Ito yung
Yan,
mga
sarap umupo. Tanggalin ko pala yung sapatos ko. Hindi ko pa tinanggal sapatos ko. Gusto kong magpahinga yung paa ko. Ay nako, grabe. Pagod na ako. Wala silang tsinelas na available. Yan. Ay, sarap no. Hindi talaga. Hayaan mo lang. Alam naman namin na nandyan ka. Sa wakas nakaupo din. Relax. Ang bilbil mo, lumalabas.
Ma!
Ang lapad naman, ang payat mo. Ilapit mo nga.
power button.
Ang layo. Bye-bye.